Hi guys, welcome. Oh my gosh, sorry for my but welcome to my channel. Today's video is we are going to update our outfit. All right. Today is Sunday. I wanted really to pluck it na my hairy outfit, but so let's maybe next month or next week after my visiting day let's pluck it. All right, I want it already because it's growing, you know, it's growing. And I love it. The more it grows, the more I love it. You know, guys, I really love it. Oh, I'm in love with you, watching Casablanca. Na 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 na. It's sweating also. And then we will do the challenge. Papa-smell natin yung outfit natin again. Smelling outfit. But it's sweating. And that's all, and thank you so much for watching.